Follow this guide to install the superkilometer filter on your Chevrolet Suburban. You need to connect these two plugs to your car's PCM. And then connect the cables 1 and 2 to their modules. This module cannot be turned on or off by a combination of buttons. It is permanently on. For deactivation, just replace it with the dummy plug. Installation is very simple. Just connect the module by plugging it into the footwell. Look carefully at the BCM in the driver's side footwell. Use the gray plug and the green plug. Disconnect these green and gray cables from BCM and connect them to the device blocks. Then connect the device to your BCM. You will see the device is blinking now. Everything is working well, and we can see the dashes instead of kilometers on a car's dashboard.